And the string broke on our lawnmower here. So we're going to see how to restring a lawnmower. And I'm going to show you what not to do and then what works. Alright, well, we're going to change this out from the string being broke. But I don't have a 6.5 because good old Craftsman on this 4.0 engine, they made it work 6.5 wouldn't work. So I got my little speed wrench, or crescent wrench, adjustable wrench, whatever you want to call it. We're going to take these out. And I'm going to save y'all trouble watching. Alright, finally got these screws out. Now, so you take this off, and the string goes in here. Now, it's real important you don't let the recoil, or you don't let the spring go, because then you got to coil it back. So, as you can see on this one, the string's right here. So we'll do that in a second. I'll hold it, and we'll put the new string in. But real quick, I'm going to show you what not to do on this other one I got. I'm going to let this go so you can see what happens when you let that go and you're not supposed to. Oh, that's not the right size. It's already loose anyway.
Jimmy, it's okay, buddy.
Here, the dog's over there. Alright, so we're going to take this one out. You can see this one has a little thing right here. The string starts right here. But usually you'll hold this so it don't let the recoil go and the spring stays sharp. But I'm going to pull this out. Yeah, thank you. So we can let this spring go. It didn't make the sound, but oh, there it goes. Yeah, so instead of having to recoil this spring all the way up, which is a pain, I promise you, you want to make sure on this one to let your recoil stay. Alright, so you take and you recoil this all the way up until you see where the old string is, and you can push the old string out of this hole, which this one broke all the way down. So without letting this go, I'm going to take our other string, I'm going to put it through here, and then come through here. Maybe.
It'll freaking work.
See, I'm still holding this so it don't spring back.
Put that in your mouth.
Now, if you have a brand new string, it'll do a little better for you. This one I put on another one and took it back off because the recoil was not good. But the string was still new. It's just a little dirty now. And just not wanting to go in my hole. Okay, so while still holding on to this, I couldn't get it to go that way. I'm going to have to put it through the top here. And all I do is pull it through, and then right before the end, I'll tie a little knot right there. And that knot will hold it, and then I can let it go and it'll recoil all back up. Alright, I went ahead and put some scissors in it to hold it, that way I could do this with both hands. But I'm going to tie a knot right here, and I'm going to pull it tight. And there it is. There's my knot. So, I'll pull it out. It's going to sit in there like that. I'll tuck it in. Then, pull these scissors out. I'm going to set it down here. And it should recoil my line all the way in. Alright. And then as you can see, I still got my cord here. So, I'll pull it like that, it pulls it back in. So that's how you know it's working. Anyway, so what you'll do is you'll take this end here, you'll stick this through there and tie a knot and pull it, And that's it on that. You just bolt it back on. Alright, now that the string's in there and your part's back on it, just put your little screws back in. Then you can just pull this slide it right back through to hold it there. And there you go. It's got the new string on it.